Camp taking us to the bottom of the third. I'm Russ Langer with you at Las Vegas Ballpark. Game 3 of a 6-game series. The Aviators and Oklahoma City have split. Bottom of the third. Here's Joey Meneses. Line drive into left center for a base hit. Michael Ciani gets it back in. And there it is, the long-awaited first hit on 0 for 20. And he didn't waste any time. A one-handed swing, first pitch, line drive. And the second base umpire, Daniger, had to bail out of there. That screamer was headed right for 2024 season. Ground ball to first. Right there to grab it is Meneses. He waves off Morris and steps on the back with the right foot. 2 down. Fitzgerald, one of the comments to this point is a slow ground ball to first. Charged by Meneses. He scoops and steps on the bag, and then victory on Tuesday, the opener. Middleton came. Here's the 3-2. Breaking ball, a one-hopper past Senzel into left field for a base hit. It looked like a slider. And Meneses, who'd been 0 for 19, and the one time he got out was a line drive to right. All right.